Hello, this is Jeffrey Smale, Principal at Emory H. Markle Middle School. I'm excited to bring you today this video that highlights several of the new features of our renovation project in our building. Our renovation at EHMMS is an extensive 2-year project that will touch every classroom and area in our building, which originally opened in the early 1970s. Our new administrative offices are located in the area of the building where our old library was located. This area includes a new receptionist office with enhanced security features, offices for our administrative team and counselors, in addition to 3 conference rooms. Our newly renovated nurses suite is significantly larger than our previous one, containing 4 individual exam rooms and a waiting room for students. In addition, the new nurses area is directly accessible to our administrative office, which provides a level of convenience for our parents. Our newly renovated NATATORIUM includes a new state-of-the-art pool, a significantly larger lobby area, new locker rooms, and portable bleachers. In addition, we will have the ability to live stream all of our swimming and diving competitions into our new cafeteria. We have a beautiful new cafeteria and kitchen located in the front center of the building that I'm sure you will notice immediately next time you enter Emory H. Markle. The space replaces our 2 separate cafeterias previously located in the back of our building. The cafeteria was designed specifically to bring additional natural light into our building, in addition to providing better sound acoustics when hosting large number of students. It is also a fantastic space for both our school and community members to utilize for large group meetings. Probably the most noticeable addition to our building is our new library, which can be found on our 2nd floor in the front of our building. This space includes a library classroom, 3 collaboration rooms, and a beautiful front view of our southwestern campus. I cannot wait for our parents and families to be able to come into our building to see this awesome new space. Our auditorium received substantial upgrades, including a new state-of-the-art sound and light system. We look forward to the day when our band, chorus, and orchestra programs at Emory H. Markle can host our families and community members and put on display all the new features of our new auditorium. Each existing classroom in our building received substantial upgrades in the renovation, including new cabinetry, storage areas, and lighting. In addition, new whiteboards and a wireless projector was placed in every classroom. Each room will be receiving significant upgrades in furniture, including new desks, chairs, and other items specific to each of our curriculum areas. The focus on the upgrades is providing flexibility and mobility, which will allow for communication and collaboration designed to meet the needs of the 21st century learner. Our renovation also brought several technology upgrades to EHMMS, including the ability to connect in every classroom wirelessly, speakers in the ceiling in every classroom, a new PA system, digital signage throughout the building, including the hallways, lobby, and cafeteria, and an updated security and camera system in the building.